Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dramani Online Maths. If you know you have not subscribed, please try to subscribe for me. Okay, thank you. Now let's look at the equation of a normal to a curve. Already I've explained what a tangent is, and I told you that when it gets to the normal, I will show you something. Look, this is a curve, okay, and there's a straight line, and that straight line is called a tangent line because it touches the curve into only one point. And let's say there is another straight line also passing through. This straight line is called normal. Is that okay? Normal line. You can say that the normal line is perpendicular to the curve. Is that okay? It's perpendicular or to the tangent line. When you say something is perpendicular, it means that it form what 90 degrees. Okay. Now, what is going to happen here is that for the tangent line, the formula was given as this x minus x1, right? But when it comes to the normal, the gradient is negative reciprocal. Okay, so you should take note of these two. So this is the difference. For the normal, because it's perpendicular, the gradient becomes negative reciprocal of this. But for the tangent, the gradient is maintained. That's what I was saying that I will show you. So anytime you are dealing with normal, you should know that. So let's start with the first question. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve. So here you have to find the tangents. You also have to find what the normal. So first let's write the curve. The curve is y equals x to the power 4 minus 3x squared plus 6x. Okay, and the point given is 2, 6. Okay, so this is the equation. For this one, first let's differentiate this. You have dy dx is equals to 4x cubed minus 6x plus 6. Okay, so let's substitute the x value there. So dy dx will be 4 multiplied by 2 cubed minus 6 multiplied by 3 plus 6. So this one you are going to have. So my dy dx is going to be 2 cubed is 8. 8 times 2, sorry, 8 times 4 is 32, right? 32 minus 18 plus 6. You have 32 minus 18 plus 6. If I add the 6 to the 32, I will get 38, right? So dy dx is equals to 38 minus 18. Dy dx is equals to, now if I subtract 18 from this, I'll get what? 20, right? So it means that my gradient is equals to what? 20. Very good. So I have my gradient to be 20. Now we have to find the tangent, equation of a tangent, the equation of what? Normal. So first let's look for the equation of the tangents. First let's look at the equation of the tangent. So for that one, already I've seen the gradient to be 20. Okay, so here is going to be y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. So when it comes to the tangent, you maintain the gradient, you won't do anything to it. So I have y minus y1 here, y1 will be 6 equals the gradient, which is 20, x minus 2, x is 2 So y minus 6 equals 20x minus 40. So y, if I bring this one here, minus 20x, this come here will be minus 6 plus 40 will be equals to 0. So my y is equals to negative 20x, y minus 20x plus 36, 34, right, equals 0. So this becomes the equation of what? The tangent. Equation of the tangent. Okay. Now let's also look for the equation of the normal. The equation of the normal. So this becomes the equation of the tangent. Because of the space, let me clean this. So for the equation of the normal line, so the formula remains the same. Y minus y1 equals. Now we say that for the normal, it is negative 1 over m. This is how we do it. X minus x1. So y minus 6 equals negative 1 over 20. Is that okay? X minus 2. So first you have to multiply through by the 20. So if I do that, I'm going to have, I'm taking the negative through. So negative 20 times y will be negative 20 y. Negative 20 times negative 6. That will give you positive 60 equals x minus what? 2. So for this one, okay. Because of the negative coming here, let me forget of this. You understand what I'm doing? 20 times y will be 20y. 20 times 6 will be negative 60. Now leaving negative x minus 2. Okay. Yes, this is what I just want to do. So that I have 20y minus 60 because negative times x is negative x plus 20. So 20y plus x minus 60 minus 20 equals 0. 20y plus x minus 80 equals 0. So this one becomes the equation of the normal. Is that okay? So this is the equation of the normal. And the first one we did was equation of what? The tangent. So the normal, we take negative reciprocal of the gradient. Should be. It is very, very important to know that. Is that okay? Good. Okay, so now let's look at the second example. The second example, we are just interested in the coordinate, okay? This is a coordinate, 2 6 is a coordinate, so we want to get something like that. So find the coordinate of the point Q, where the tangent to the curve is this, is parallel to the line this. When you say that something is parallel to something, or two lines or a curve and a line is parallel, it means that their gradients are always the same. But when they say they are perpendicular, it means that they are one of them, the gradient of the other is perpendicular, negative reciprocal of the other. Is that okay? The gradient of the other is negative reciprocal of the other when they are perpendicular. But when they are parallel, their gradient are the same. So in this case, they are parallel. So here we have y equals x squared plus 3x plus 2, okay? And that curve is parallel to 2x plus y plus 2 equals 0. So now you are saying that this curve is parallel to this curve. So if this curve is parallel to this curve, it means that the gradient of this will be the same as this one. And when equation of a line is given to you, is that okay? When the equation of a line is given to you like this, 2x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This one is the equation of a line. This is the equation of what? A curve. When the equation of a line is given to you, you can get a gradient from that. But I've made videos on that one. So this one, all you need to do is that if you want to get gradient, you just make y the subject. So you are going to have y is equals to negative 2x minus 2. Is that okay? This is x. So the coefficient of this x here is your gradient. It means that my gradient is equals to negative 2. Is that okay? Now, we also know that they are saying that this line is parallel to this. It means that if I differentiate this, whatever that I get is the gradient. And since it's parallel to this, it means that the gradient of this will be equal to the gradient of this. So let's differentiate the curve. That will give you dy dx is equal to 2x plus 3. But since this curve is parallel to this line, then the dy dx of this should be equal to the gradient of this one. Is that okay? So 2x plus 3 should be equal to negative 2. So my 2x should be equal to negative 2 minus 3. 2x will be equal to negative 5. So we have 2x equals negative 5 here, here. X will be 2 going to itself 1. We have negative 5 over 2. We are interested in the coordinates. So since, or now that we have our x to be negative 5 over 2, x to be negative 5 over 2, I have cleaned the line which says 2x plus y plus 2 equals 0. I've cleaned it because I don't need it anymore. We are just interested in finding the coordinates of the curve. Okay, so once I have the x, then all I need to do is to substitute this one here. So that will be negative 5 over 2 squared plus 3 negative 5 over 2 plus 2. So y will be equals to negative 5 squared will be positive 25. 2 squared is 4 plus, sorry, 3 times negative 5 will be negative 15 over 2 plus 2. Let's find LCM here. That will be 4. 4 going to 4. 1 times 25 is 25 minus 2 going to 4. 2. 2 times 5, 15 is 30. Plus 1 going to 4. 4. 4 to 8. Means that my y now becomes 25 minus 30 will be negative 5 plus 8 will be 3 over 4. Therefore, the coordinates of the point Q is, we had x to be negative 5 over 2 and y is 3 over 4. Is that okay? So this becomes our coordinate. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. Thank you.